What's up, is Don't Accept Reality, and today we're going to go over how you can get multiple offers on your home. So first things first is just understanding the real estate market. You want to make sure you understand whether it's a seller's market, a buyer's market, or it's balanced. Then use it to your advantage, because if it's a seller's market, that means most likely there's low inventory and buyers are willing to pay top dollar for houses that are on the market. So knowing the type of market that you're in is key. Then you want to make sure that your home is ready for showtime, that your home is updated. Low cost improvements can wow prospective buyers, and low cost improvements can be from interior shutters to adding a water filter to getting some fresh painting around your house. After that, I would definitely suggest having a pre-listing inspection done and sharing your results to buyers, so that way they can see that your home is in great condition. One of the main ways that you'll get multiple offers on your home is just by suggesting an accurate listing price. And the way that you do that is by running comps. So by you comparing your home to homes that have recently sold in the area, and you're comparing them by the size, the features, and the condition, it'll give you a more accurate price of what your home is worth, and buyers will be aware of that. And as a seller, you have to be strategic in scheduling showings. Now, I know everybody has a life, especially if you're still living in the home itself and it's not vacant. It can be difficult at times, especially when you're working a job and stuff like that. It can be tough. But if you want to get those multiple offers and get that house sold, you're going to want to not just have a few photos online. You want to have an ample amount of photos, and you're going to want to have some open houses scheduled so that prospective buyers can envision themselves in that home. And those are my ways for you to get multiple offers on your home. I hope I was able to cover that for you, and I hope that you guys are able to sell your homes fast and quickly with no headaches. So I want you guys to like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Check out all my other content, and I truly appreciate you guys. Hey, what's going on, guys? Don't Accept Reality here. I have an ebook out called The Active Duty and Veteran First Time Homebuyers Guide. And in my guide, I'm giving you a step-by-step process on how to reach home ownership comfortably and with knowledge, and it's just preparing you for the unexpected, things that I wish I would have known when going through my home buying process. The link to the ebook is in the description. Check it out, and I truly appreciate you guys.